Wow! Namangha ko sa sobrang ganda.
Hello, 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 how do you do? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Hello everyone, magandang araw, maayong adlaw.
Welcome to Cebu Cordova Link Expressway, also known as Cebu Cordova Bridge, totaling 8.9 kilometers with the width of 27 meters. It is traversable and it has 4 lanes, constructed by Cebu Link Joint Venture, and the owner is Cebu Cordova Link Expressway Corporation. Construction cost 30 billion pesos. This 30 billion toll bridge is eyed to be opened to motorists by end of April 2022 and will use an all-electronic toll collection system to provide safe and seamless travel. Once finished, it will become the longest bridge in the Philippines, surpassing the Cordova Viaduct of North Luzon. This bridge will serve as an alternative route between Cebu City and the Mactan Cebu International Airport, reducing the travel time by approximately 40 minutes. It will make it easier for families to travel in Cebu and enjoy the beaches of Mactan Island. This will be the longest and tallest bridge in the Philippines. It will surpass the San Juanico Bridge Expressway. Thank you for watching. God bless and keep safe, everyone.